today. Do you know this? What is this?
What is this?
This is stapler.
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 Pepper.
Stapler. Okay, look, I have colorful staplers like this. Okay, let me ask you, what color is this?
Blue. Blue.
What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What color is this?
White.
White. White.
White.
Okay. What color is this?
Red. Red.
Red. What color is this?
Green.
Green. Okay, look. This stapler is useful for people, okay? For us, okay? But you have to be careful, okay? This might be also dangerous, okay? This is how you do it, okay? We're going to stapler this paper like this, okay? You fold this like this first, okay? So this can be together, okay? Well, maybe you might need this for making an envelope or something, okay? Like this to put this paper together. Okay, look, Nala. This and this, and then you start to staple it like this. Okay, you might start to staple like this. See this together, and they become one like this. Okay, but you need to be careful. Okay, like this. This might hurt your skin. Okay, so be careful. Okay.
Okay.
And remember not to put this into your mouth. Yes, you're big. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. One for you. One for Bella. One. Okay, one for Gladiator. Okay. What color? Blue. Okay, Gladys. Which one? Do you want the green one? Okay. Okay, you may start like this. You fold like this. Yes. Okay, yeah, that's right. Yes, that's right. Gladys. Like this. Okay, here. Try this one, darling. Yeah. And then like this. Okay. Fold like this. Fold like this. Okay. Like this. Wait. Okay. And like this. Yeah. Let me do it, miss. Like this. Okay. And then you press. 1, 2, hop. Like that. Okay? Yeah, you did it. Okay, put this together. Okay. Press. Okay, yeah. Finish, Bella. Let me help you. Okay, like this. Okay. And you put this like this. This is the head, and you put the paper inside. Yes. Okay, and then you press. Harder. Yeah, you did it. Oh, harder. Okay, try. 1, 2, up. Yay! You did it. Okay, try again. Okay, Gammy. Wow, Gammy, you did it. Okay, you don't need my help, right? Okay, wait. Let me write your name. Gammy, today is Tuesday. Yeah. Okay, wait. I'm just writing it. Okay, you do it. Yeah, okay, you do it. What is your name? Okay, Bella. Today is Tuesday, 20th of August, 2024. Okay, here. Start again. Here, like this. Oh, upside down like this. Okay. Maybe two hands together. Oh, maybe you may stand up. 1, 2, hop. Yeah. Okay. Wait, what is your name? Nala. Today is Tuesday, 20th of August, 2024. Okay, here. Okay, upside down like this. This is the head. Okay. Oops. Okay, let me do it, miss. Okay. Come. Gladys. Tuesday, 20th of August, 2024. Okay, let me do this. Like this, Ali. Wait. Let's do it. Okay, 1, 2, press. 1, 2, hop! Yay! You did it! Okay, try again. Wait. Do like this. You put the paper here inside. Yes, okay. And wait. Okay, like this. Okay, 1, 2, hop! Yay! You did it. Okay, try. Try by yourself.